Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome to Steaks and Locks. Well, I have been trying to shoot this video for 2 weeks. It's not working out. It's not working out. My toddler is still not sleeping. I can't get myself together. And the things I have filmed are garbage, complete garbage. So I figured, you know what? As long as it's out, let it be out. So this is my 2-month, almost 3-month anniversary video. My anniversary is on the 13th of every month. So we're a little late. We're almost at the end of the year. But guess what, guys? My hair has been doing fabulous, guys. I love it. I love the shine. I don't have any flakes, as you can see. I have a little bit of flakes, probably always gonna have a little bit, but I'm still loving this journey. I'm loving everything about it. I took my hair to the beach earlier this month, and we were out there flourishing in the beach like a 20-year-old Tyra Banks. I was feeling myself. I got to just be free. For my beach vacation, I only packed a satin scarf, and that was it. And that was so rewarding to just be like, oh, I'm gonna pack for my hair. And a satin scarf, I guess, is all I need. I washed my hair twice while we were on our vacay because, you know, I had a whole sandbox in here. And, well, that caused unraveling, especially in my temple area, right up here, and right here. All that came unraveled, so I had to rebraid it, but not a big deal. You know, if that's all I have to do on a vacation or after a vacation, I'll take it. So what else has been happening? The unraveling, I don't have maybe, like, I'm looking at it right now and it looks like I have more volume, but I don't feel it. I feel like I'm still, like, sparse, you know? We're still sparse up in here. I have had horrific hand and hair syndrome. So much so that my husband is like, I'll pay you money for me to not see you like this. Like, we're tired of looking at you and having you in your hair 24/7. So I made a promise to them that for the next 4 weeks I was not going to touch my hair, and so I'm living up to that promise. Because of my hand and hair syndrome, I started having tenderness right in my crown area. I mean, it was so bad I couldn't even touch it. And since I've stopped being in my hair, that has fixed itself. So maybe I had a little bit of a problem, just a little bit. What else is happening? I also have not been using many products. I've just been shampooing my hair, spritzing it once a week. I am trying. I did, before I was natural, when I was natural, I used to do a lot of Ayurvedic, like, things like henna, shakakai, brahmi, hibiscus. So I made a little concussion of just my powders mixed together, and then I let them sit in water, and then I strained them. And I sprayed that in my hair. And I think that's why I have the shine. I sprayed that in my hair because my scalp was feeling dry. It was getting flaky, and so that helped instantly. I also put essential oils in there. That instantly helped my hair out. And I think I'll keep doing that once a week. What else is happening with my hair? Nothing else. I'm enjoying my journey. I don't have any budding. I don't have bunching either. I have retie errors where I have like little like fat pieces right here, right next to my, like, where all my reties are. And I don't know if that's supposed to happen when you do a retie, right? Because you're retying, but, and I don't know if it's locking. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but I have like little fat ends right here where my reties are. What I've also been doing when I'm bored, which is why my husband and my children have been annoyed, is that I've been interlocking where I find that I have too much loose hair out, I've been going in and interlocking each and every piece. But then that meant that I'd be in my hair indefinitely, forever, 24/7, for the next 1,000 years. So I stopped that. And I'm just going to let it do what it do. I'm literally going to just leave my hair. I also discovered my middle part. Okay. I'm liking my middle part. Shrinkage. Do I have shrinkage? I don't feel like I have a lot of shrinkage. And I probably can attribute that to the fact that I braid it down every night or every other night. And I'll just put it in braids before I go to bed. Or even when I spritz it with water, I'll braid it down so that I don't have bunching. I'm more afraid of bunching than I am of not locking, because I know my hair locks. When I leave my hair in like protective styling for too long, when I take my protective styling out, I have locked roots already. So I'm not worried about my hair not locking. I'm worried about bunching. So I've been braiding it down. I don't wash it braided, but as soon as I finish washing it, I braid it down, and then I leave it in for a couple of days. So my reties are going to be stretched for as long as I can stretch them, which might be 11 weeks, it might be 8 weeks, because what's happening is, because I have hand and hair syndrome, if I find any growth, I'm going in and I'm retying it, and I think that's causing my tender scalp. So 11 weeks is my goal, which means, or I'm not even gonna do 11 weeks. I'm gonna wait till I can do this, like about an inch of hair. So when I have about an inch of hair, I'm going to retie it, and that's how I'm gonna gauge it. So let's do a little 360 with my mane here. That's what the side is looking like. This side, I don't have a grid. I'm a gridless chica, okay? How fast is my hair growing? I think it's growing at a normal rate. I can't tell. I can't tell if I have fast hair growth or if I have slippage. I do know that especially in the crown area, my hair is growing out of my locks, or I have new growth. I can't tell. All I know is that when I'm like in my hair, even as soon as I've retied it, a couple weeks into it, I have new growth. So I'm going to try to leave it alone just to see how fast my hair is growing. Yes, that's it. That concludes my journey. It's been wonderful. If you're thinking of doing this, what are you waiting for? I don't know what you're waiting for. Just do it already. I am trying to convince every woman around me. Every woman around me is tired of hearing me tell them, are you going to lock your hair? Are you going to lock your hair? Because it's like a whole message that I want to put out there. Because hair freedom, I'm telling you, I didn't realize how enslaved I was to my hair, how hard it was with my hair. And now I have so much time every morning. I'm getting up and working out. I'm getting up and cleaning my house. I have so much more free time. And then I do keto carnivore, right? So I have all this energy, and then I can do things with this energy. So anyway, enough of me rambling. If you are coming back, thank you for coming back. To all 26 of you subscribers, you guys are the best and you rock. Eat meat. Get outside, get some sun, love everybody around you, but most importantly, love yourself enough to feed your body healthy food. You guys take care. Bye.